What's up? What's up? There you go. Wednesday, hump day. Well, day 2 anyway. We have a short week, but oh my gosh. Beautiful out. Cool. Squirrels are out jumping around. Oh, look at that chipmunk up there. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, little. He gets up there. Oh, there's the other chipmunk. Oh my gosh, is he going up there? I just saw the other chipmunk. Let me see if he goes up there. We got 2 chipmunks so far that I've seen. Where are you, little chipmunk? Squirrels, you guys got to protect your food there. These chipmunks will take it all. Little guy over there. Oh, another one just jumped over. What you doing back there? Yeah, it's beautiful out here. What are you guys doing behind me over here? Who's over here? Who's coming up to you? Are they? Oh, Spencer, what are you doing over there? Oh, there you go. All right. Oh, good jump, buddy. Oh, he's missing some fur. See, yeah, he's got 2 talon marks. I've seen him before. Something tried to grab him, but luckily he was smart enough to get away, quick enough to get out of the grass. Yeah, lucky squirrel. He was up there. You're dead. Good stuff, huh? Yeah, see the marks on him there? His back. Little baby. And it looks like marks. I don't know. Is that bot flies? It could be. Could be bot flies. I hope not. Oh, look at the chipmunk. I see you, chipmunk. Where'd you go? Oh, there's a chipmunk. Look at the chipmunk up there. Look at the chipmunk. I'm coming. Look at it, he's gone. I took one step toward him. All right, chipmunk, you take all the peanuts. Then the blue jays come out here and they get mad at us. What's up, baby? You okay? Don't mind me. Where are you going? King of the hill. Have to restock in a little bit before I leave here. Oh, it's so nice out right now. It is so beautiful out. Squirrels. Yeah. What? Who's that? Who's that? Dirty nose. Is that Ernie? Got one. There's plenty of pecans spread out there. I mean, pecans are big. Chipmunk can't take all that. He goes up for those peanuts. He likes the peanuts. You had a good one? There you go. Wednesday morning. Not a big rush yet. But with all these young ones, they seem to come in different waves. The young ones come out, the adults. Oh, who's that? Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Yeah, wait, let me see what we got here. I got some right here. Yeah. Here you go. All right. There he goes. Who's that? Oh, a little baby. That's a little baby from the tree. From the tree house. Oh, he's playing. What's she doing? Oh, she playing. Look at her. She's playing. Mama's letting them out now more and more. We see them, she jumps around, she's exploring. That's all she's doing. Oh, there she is. Oh, you got a pecan? Oh, it's in the hole, you bury it? She's learning how to bury. It's cute to watch them. Exploring. Learning how to climb. Oh. Oh. Who's that? Is that you, Speedy? Speedy, you're not gonna want any of the pecans I got. No, it's not Speedy, it's another yellow one. Oh, what are you doing? Who is that? Here you go. Let me see. 1 second, baby. Here you go. Got it? All right. Make sure it's a good one. Yeah. Oh, next one. It's okay. Yeah. Here you go. You see it? You got it? All right. Oh, they're all starting to come over. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Is that Stormy? Stormy, I gotta go and get yours. All right. All right, Stormy. Stormy, give me a second, Stormy. All right. Give me 1 second, Stormy. Here you go. Let me grab this. Stormy. Here you go. No? Here, try that one. No? Here. Stormy. What's the matter? I guess these are too small. Stormy. Here you go. Here, Stormy. Alright, better one? Alright. There she goes. All right. Some of these squirrels, they get so picky. Stormy too. Let me go put some of these up. I gotta get going. They get real picky. They want a certain kind. They've been spoiled. We got pecans. Now, yeah, it may not be the caviar of pecans, but it's still, it's like a good strip steak. All right. You see all the pecans on the floor here. I'm gonna throw some up here. I'm gonna put them in here. How many we got left in here? So that it keeps them longer. All right. Oh, I'll throw them out over here in the front. It's a beautiful day. Everybody took off because I walked up. Alright guys, I had to get to work. Oh, something like that anyway. Everybody have a great day.